Hello everyone, we are team number 1. Isn't it time to implement telework culture and let employees work from everywhere? Aside from already known reasons, remote working style could be solution for some current issues regarding city development. For example, the pandemic situation, it is just one of the problems. How efficient do you think rental office use? According to survey in US, desks are empty during 40–50% of normal working hours. Depending on industries, 70% of people want to work remotely at least once a week. In this regard, we propose telework office solution. Many business analysts, current situation is not good for business, so many urban problems comes out from urgent urbanization. For example, during the peak hours, traffic congestion increases and citizens waste time on the road instead of enjoying with family or friends. There is no way to find out how strong impact would be, but one thing seems to be clear. Working remotely is helping many companies and individuals to deal with urban issues to control the situation. It contributes to reduce traffic congestion, build green environment by reducing motor vehicles, support startup companies by offering flexible and cheaper facilities, improve employees' time management and increase productivities.
Next we introduce the Telework Project Framework. The global community experiences the importance of technology as a tool and a response to emergency situations such as COVID-19 pandemic. Referencing to K-New Deal, a Korean project with a pillar to accelerate the shift toward digital economy and the aim to foster non-face-to-face industries by promoting a remote work especially to small and medium-sized business as an approach to sustain their labor market. Improving the productivity and efficiency of employees by adopting the concept of telework requires a strong collaboration between different entities. A generic framework to implement telework project is proposed and consists of different layers, from identifying the goals and the objectives of the project for the benefits of community with respect to smart city perspectives. Considering the key performance indicators of the city where the project is to be implemented will lead to identification of the real problem to be solved. The next layer focuses on generating a model that will be used to achieve the goals and objectives of telework projects and to solve the identified issues. It will also list out the requirements, the collaboration needed or stakeholder engagement, project financing and referencing to other cities where a telework project is being implemented. The final layer of the framework entitles the feedback from the community as central to city intelligence. The human activities, innovation, opinions and participation will influence the policy reformulation such as work flexibility to encourage teleworking activities. The decision makers are requested to reach a consensus with the community on smart urban development, and the process will be repeated continuously until all the goals of telework are achieved. Public sector is supposed to initiate and encourage the private companies and the citizen to adopt the shared, integrated telework facilities. The requirements to implement telework project differ from city to city but include acquisition of resources such as ICT infrastructures. The high-speed internet network 5G can facilitate the customer's satisfaction, and it will allow the facility users to access real-time data directly from their physical offices without any delay. The companies should also provide virtual private network VPN service to their employees to ensure the security of companies' information. These resources are not limited to cloud and hosting services, software, and other physical infrastructure such as space, furniture and human resource team. This project can bring solutions to cities that experience high congestion and traffic jam. Bangalore, a city in India, ranked the first city with high traffic jam globally. The telework project can contribute to help employees work from more near home, generally to save traveling hours from work to offices. This project also is feasible in Kigali, a Rwanda capital city where the employees are expected to start a job at 7 a.m. Morning activities such as taking kids to school etc. are a big challenge to respect working hours, and we imagine that telework solution can help efficiency by reducing morning stress. Next we will explain the telework specific plan for Siheung Smart City. This project encounters 5 steps for developing telework model in Siheung City. First, diagnose and define the key point aspects of cities, citizens and governments. We believe the following few points are potentially problematic: COVID-19, traffic jam from more to workplaces, overcrowded population, real estate cost, environment and so on. Next, it would be to set the vision and mission to resolve the pain point. We are contributing to reducing traffic congestion, building a green environment, supporting startups, increasing productivity and managing city risk. And third stage, this project sets up and categorizes crucial key values. There are many values to make the telework model fully operational, and we will find the key values. For example, technology and financial capability. This project will develop a phase milestones and roadmaps for implementation. At that time, we will study any benchmarking models and make own prototype model and operation. We will match the model into Siheung Smart City ecosystem and keep the sustainable telework model. For the milestone, we need to keep the roadmap in mind. There are 4 phases about the milestone of telework model: preparation, growth, leap, complete phase. And the end goal is to build a sustainable teleworking model that balances technology and citizens of Siheung Smart City.
In order to successfully complete this task, we must set the criteria for self-evaluation. First, sufficient investigation is required to successfully complete this task. This idea needs to be creative, it needs to be related to smart cities. In addition, it is necessary to check the feasibility of the project and whether it can be applied to other countries for the final goal. That's all our ideas so far, and we'll try to put them into shape.